Hey everybody, I'm in the kitchen today, getting my tongue twisted. I'm cooking up the catfish me and my buddy Jason West caught Saturday. We didn't catch but like 8 keepers, but we probably caught 100 fish. But I'm cooking up some of the whole catfish that we caught. Not real big, but they were keepers, and I'm gonna wrap them in bacon and cook them on the pellet pit today and see how they turn out. And as you can hear in the background, little Autumn wanting to be in it too, huh? Bald. Anyway, I had to pause because I started having a little coughing spell, and Autumn was getting me distracted. Anyway, we're going to wrap up these catfish in bacon and go put them on a pit. So, Brandy's running the camera behind me, so here we go. Never done this before, but we'll give it a try. This is real thick cut bacon. You know what I forgot? I forgot to season it first. There's a blooper. We'll try this again. Hang on. Wipe my hands off. There we go. Tony Satry's Cajun seasoning. Some garlic powder. For a little kick, let's see, cayenne pepper. I'm gonna rub this in and get Brandy to help me here. Give me some seasonings. Look, I got 3 hands. That's good. Now we'll bacon wrap it.
Such concentration.
What's that? Isn't that looking wonderful? What's the matter? You want some fish? Want a bite? What's the matter with my bubble? Well, I never tried this before, so y'all bear with me. I'm going to put 2 pieces on this one. One left. All right. Put a little lemon on it. Well, put some onion on it first. What y'all think? Well, let me get my hands cleaned up. We'll step outside and throw them on the pellet pit. Pellet pit. Pit. A pit. Okay. Well, let's throw them on the pit. I'm going to keep it open so it get a little smoke. Then I'll wrap it up. Probably in about 15 minutes, go ahead and wrap it up and let it finish cooking. So y'all stick around for the ending of this, and I'll pull them off the pit and give them a taste. Hi y'all. Hey everybody, I'm back. I got the fish off the pit, and we're gonna unwrap this baby. Don't that look? Oh, it smells wonderful. So I'm going to take one of these babies off here. Put it on the plate. Charlie ain't going to do the bacon, though. No bacon. Ow! That's hot. Y'all don't laugh at me either. It was hot. Brandy, you laughing at me? Laughing with me is what you usually say.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Well, let's give this a bite. Need a little salt, man. Ooh, a cayenne pepper bit me. Look at all that delicious white meat. Can y'all smell it? Wow. That's good. Don't have to fillet it either. Just, yep. Look. Yep. Break it off the bone. Ham. Yummy. That's good stuff. You gonna try it, Brandy? Brandy gonna walk around here and try it.
It's a flaky. Very good. Wow, and I'm not a fish person that much. And I have to say that it's very good.
I'm shocked too. Don't even
Wow.
taste fishy.
Not at all. There's no fish taste to it at all.
Fix that camera a little bit. I'm gonna have to do that more often.
Yes.
Anyway, this is another cooking show from Charlie and Brandy. So y'all please ring that bell and subscribe. We need all the help we can get. And Paragon Ridge Ranch. We sure appreciate you shouting out to us and sending us people. So y'all go check out Paragon Ridge Ranch. Help me remember, Randy. I'm old timers. Paragon Ridge Ranch, and give them likes and thumbs up, and subscribe to their channel also, because they are great people over there. And if you're into goats, check them out.
Yep. And let me know when
if
you
you're
get
into
your
barn
jellies.
dominiums, check them out, because they got a big one. So,
I'm eating all his fish.
she's eating my fish. There's all right. That's all right. There's 4 more. Thank God we caught 5.
And I can't stop eating it. It's so good.
We might go fishing when? Saturday?
Mm-hmm. We are.
We're going fishing Saturday. We're going to. I'm going to try to film it better this time.
I'll be there, so I will be able to film it.
I was just too excited to go last Saturday with Jason, and I was just wanting to fish. I didn't care about filming nothing.
Yeah, he was away from the house and me and Autumn, so
Yeah.
he was having fun.
And it was cold that morning too when we left. Woo! So,
I can't stop eating it.
stop eating my fish. No, that's all right. We're going to plate us up some fish and go have some supper. We'll see y'all on the next go around, next video. Y'all ring the bell.
Subscribe.
The dingle bell, as Paragon put it. Dingle bell.
Make sure you like and share, please.
Like and share and subscribe. We love y'all.
Be safe.
Be safe, and we'll see y'all on the next video.
Bye.